call me crazy, but I was plenty happy with Kawasaki's Z900 Sports Standard when it made its stateside debut last year. While the 806cc inline-four powered machine received some critical review, namely for packing the pounds and surprisingly weighing more than its Z1000 counterpart, I appreciated its superior suspension and ride quality to that of the most direct competitor, the Yamaha FZ-09. Kawasaki was well aware of the power-to-weight performance odds it faced within a category it has identified as being one of the fastest-growing street segments. Enter the all-new 2017 Z900, a much lighter, clean-sheet design that not only replaces the Z800, but has taken over the flagship role from the arguably redundant Z1000. Moving forward, the Z family fold, in the USA, will be comprised of 3 models including the single-cylinder Z125 Pro and Z650 parallel twin.